Let's now look at an exam question about this first lesson, about sampling. This is from spring 2013, question paper 71. It is question 1, the very first one. And it says this. You're going to see it's very simple. Mary wants to choose one student at random from Anthea, Bill, and Charlie. She throws 2 fair coins. If both coins show tails, she will choose Anthea. If both coins show heads, she will choose Bill. If the coins show one of each, she will choose Charlie. Explain why this is not a fair method for choosing the student. Okay, so you have 2 fair coins. They are thrown. You can argue that they are thrown once, one at a time. At this point, really doesn't matter. So what are the different possibilities for the outcome of the coins? The probability for you to have heads is 1/4. Okay, here I'm using binomial distribution, so 1/4. Tails is 1/4. Heads tails is 1/4, and tails heads is 1/4. But according to the criteria that, what's her name? Mary used to choose the person, there is one outcome that will change the probability as compared to the other 2. Because for you to choose Anthea, the probability is 1/4. For for Marie to choose Bill, the probability is 1/4. But to choose Charlie, the probability is going to be 1/2, because you have 2 different ways in which this can happen. Okay, so it's not fair because Charlie has twice the chances of being chosen compared to Anthea and Bill. So the next question is obviously describe how Marie could use the 2 coins to give a fair method for choosing the student. This could happen if she throws the coins one at a time and she eliminates one of these possibilities. Let's say eliminating tails heads. Okay, if this would happen, tails heads, she would eliminate that possibility and throw again. And that way you will have a 1/4 chance for each one of them to be selected.